Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your March 2018 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes with 2 new collections, including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments, as well as 2 recipe cards for double page layouts designed by the design team, one for each one of the collections. So you'll be ready to be inspired to create with your kits as soon as you get them. This month, your 2 collections are from One Canoe 2, called Twilight, and Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Pick Me Up collection. So this month, you know, it's going to be full of color and fun and really versatile to work with all kinds of photos and projects. So let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. First up, we have Twilight from One Canoe 2. And you're going to get 3 sheets of cardstock. So there's going to be 2 sheets of Thunder cardstock and 1 sheet of Cranberry. For your patterned paper, we have this one called Twilight Landscape, which is a watercolor landscape. It's just gorgeous. You could use that as a background just the way it is. The back side is this fun plaid design. This one called Evening Posies. Beautiful floral, and again in that watercolor look. Those could also be fussy cut out for embellishment. The back side is this pink and white print. This one called Fireflies, which has all of the fun fireflies. And I don't know about you, but I can remember as a child going out and catching fireflies, so that would be a lot of fun to document your kids on these summer nights coming up in spring. And then we have a polka dot that's kind of a tan color on white. And these also have 3 full branding strips, so you get a little bit more patterned that way. So be sure to use those. So that's a look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a half of the sticker sheet. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that was in mine. So it's got words and some small little shapes along with some bigger ones and some words. And then 1 of the paper clips. Again, that one will vary among the kits, as well as these fun little buttons. So they're wood buttons with these epoxy circles in the center of them. So a lot of fun. So that's One Canoe 2 Twilight. Next, from Pink Paisley, we have Paige Evans' new line, Pick Me Up. And if you know Paige Evans, she is not going to disappoint you when it comes to color and patterns. Everything's going to be really fun and really versatile to scrapbook all kinds of photos and memories. So for your cardstock on this one, you're going to get 2 sheets of Typhoon and 1 sheet of Mustard. The patterned paper, we have this one, that's the number 2. That's all of these fun little wonky flowers on a dark navy blue. The back side is a 2-toned pink polka dot in different sizes. Paper 15 has these fun watercolored or painted circles along with some stitching. Paige is known for all of her fun little stitching, so you could stitch right over the top of these for some added texture. The back side is that fun purpley blue and an ombre with the crosshatch lines on it. And then number 20 is, of course, all of her beautiful stitching. So again, you could stitch right over the top of those, cut it apart for some border pieces, and then stitch on them. Would be a lot of fun, really pretty. The back side is this ledger in pink. So that's going to be a paper that's hard to decide which side to use. And then again, you have the 3 full branding strips, so just a few more little patterns for you to play with. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1 sheet of the chipboard, so these will vary among the kits. But again, you'll get some with words, some smaller icons and medium icons, lots of things to embellish with. And then a 1/5 of pack of the journal spots. So all of these could be used as part of your journaling. And again, those will vary among the kits, but this is what was in mine. So that is Pink Paisley, Pick Me Up. One more look at your March Double Shot Kit. Remember to come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to check out all of the challenges that we have running where you can win prizes. And you can see what your fellow subscribers are creating as well as the design team. And if you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, click that coffee cup so you can subscribe and be notified when the new videos are released, as well as check out some of the other kits and the other videos that have been posted here on the side. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.